God is not an order taker. You know, you tell him what you need, and you're always crying to him about your problem. The day has to come when you can go to God and say, Lord, I'm ready to work for you. Lift your hands. Consecration time. You say, I'm ready to work for you. I'm ready to give myself to you. I'm ready to be your disciple. I'm ready to be your servant. I'm ready to do great things in your kingdom. I'm ready to build great businesses, great enterprises. I'm ready to do great things. I'm ready to make a lot of money so I can live to bless the world. I'm ready to make a lot of money so that I can live a good life. I'm ready to know the greatest people, and I won't be afraid of that. I won't fear failure, and I won't also fear success.